Light it on fire?
No, this is not a torch. This is strictly a liquid nitrogen gun, okay?
I was wondering.
Yeah, so we're going to give this a little freeze. I'm going to call you Dolomite.
Dolomite.
Yeah, Dolomite. That's your nickname.
Okay.
You've had some skin cancers before, right?
Yeah, the one that often it's on his head.
Yeah, you've got a scar up there where you had little laser work done.
No, they actually cut it out.
Cut it out and then let it kind of granulate in.
I guess so.
I think so.
It left you with a big white spot, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
it did.
All right, this is going to be cold, right? You ready?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. You know what the temperature of this is?
Probably like 15 below. Oh, Jesus!
15 below would be wrong.
Yeah, that was a little cold.
How about minus 320?
Oh, okay.
We just gave you a little No. So we're going to freeze it. We have to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles. We let it get angry and red and swell up for a few days, and then it sort of dries up and peels off. You can peel it off.
Oh, no, thank you.
That would be fun. You
No,
like to do that?
not really. So I have to do your job. I have to peel the thing off.
Well,
You can roll it up and say,
There's cancer.
it'll fall off on its own if you give it enough time. But I thought you might enjoy just kind of
Not really.
picking a little bit at it.
Tank or what?
No, ma'am. No.
It's not like an
Where did you-
oxygen tank.
Where did you get her? Okay, so we've thawed, so we're going to go with round 2. It actually feels colder than the first one. Are you ready?
Ready? Ready?
Ooh, that's cold. There we go.
actually, the first one felt colder than
Are
that
you sure?
Yeah.
Usually it's the second one everybody says, now that one felt cold. Okay, so once again, that'll get angry. It'll swell up a little bit, turn red, and then it'll sort of dry up and peel off or fall off, depending on whether you can get your lawyer here to peel that off for you or not. All right, Dolomite, any questions?
None offhand.
What do you think about quitting smoking? You
Well, I
ready?
think it's a necessity. Definitely.
So I'm going to give you the medicine to help you quit,
Okay.
and I'm going to give you an inhaler to help you breathe.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, I really am glad you're going to quit, though. I mean, it doesn't matter what age you are, you can still, you still benefit from quitting.
Hey folks, it's Adam again here from Meta 7. So a few people have asked me, why is Meta 7 just a better supplement? Well, one of the reasons is the higher quality ingredients. That's right. For example, it has methylcobalamin instead of ethylcobalamin. Now, that's B12, but it's the good B12. There's a lot of supplements out there. You can go to the grocery store and get B12, but it's got B12, which is going to release a cyanide particle into your body. You don't want that. And they don't put that on the label. This is the stuff that's actually good for you, going to give you all that energy, all that boost, but it's actually healthy. It's also non-GMO, vegan, made in the USA. So go ahead and pick it up today. You won't be disappointed. But the big thing to remember here, better quality ingredients than what you're going to pick up in the grocery store, at the nutrition store. This is the good stuff formulated by Dr. Gilmore.